Mr. Frink.
Yes?
Inspector King.
Hey, what's going on? What is this?
You cohabit this apartment with Miss Juliana Crane, do you know?
Yes?
Where is Miss Crane?
I don't know. She left early this morning. Aikido practice.
Ah, Aikido practice. Half-sister, Miss Judy Walker, was engaged in treasonous activity?
Judy, no, I didn't keep in touch with her. Neither did